Welcome to DJM-TV.
So now welcome now once again to DJM-TV. All of us know this Nollywood actress, whether they call Angela Okori, she don't come out to drag Zubimeke like generator. In fact, the way she say drag, and if you drag generator like that, the rope fit cut. She don't come out to talk, say Zubi not be waiting. We think say he be. In fact, Zubi now very bad person. In fact, he talk say Zubi don't do waiting no man can do for this Nollywood industry. He don't talk say why he be say now when Junior Paul pie now you be say he come out to write RIP. Say since he not come out to wish happy birthday home, he not come out if you want to do anything, no will come out to support him. But as he died, you know say he want write RIP. My people, I play on the video, make una hear how it say downgrade Zubimeke. Watch this video reach the end.
Of Junior Pope, yeah? Junior Pope is one person that if you give him 1 naira, well, even not say big pasamo, he's gonna tell you thank you till Jesus will come. Like, I have never seen a humble soul like that nigga. Always happy for people. Do you know somebody posted and said he died before he died? You thought that was a joke? Yeah. The industry has messed that guy up. A lot of them stopped giving him jobs, yes. And he kept on grinding. Taking care of his family. He will always call his wife envy of all women. He loved his family so much. He loved his wife. He loved his children, his family. Loved everybody like his own. He was never a bad person. Like from the pictures and everything people are posting. I'm not talking about these backbiters. Now, to Zubi. Why the heck are you posting someone you've been fighting for so long? You've never posted them on their achievements. Film when they shoot, they form say you be best friend. You never for one day post this nigga, tell and say happy birthday. You're just so quick to write RIPs. That's my problem. Do you know there was an endorsement they signed me in Asaba? I signed in Asaba. And it was going so well all of a sudden. Zubi came in the picture. I liked it. But then I didn't know, before you know, niggas still spoil me for there as usual as they do. They changed my billboard, replaced it on. I say it's alright. It's like looking at an angel. And then you change that angel's poster to shrine, because that's how I say it. That's shrine. That's all. That we they talk about. You know my boy. Tell and send away the I talk. And I'm my boy. I feed him. I help him. You never do one thing for me. You know, even as I drop song, you don't even do videos. Say, babe, make I just support you for this thing. No, he not to the collect. If you go feed do pressing forward, we carry and come Nollywood. Who you know go feed do thunder fire all of on the craze. Go and listen to pressing forward talk. Let him open his mouth and talk. You will know what's up. I don't like call names, but I got call names. You know why? Because these things, before I talk, you go no say I don't talk to some people. Some people don't tell me things. Some people don't tell me things. And some people still they talk. I bet that boy whether they call Zubi Junior, where that boy did. You know do film again, they don't pursue him because he resemble Zubi. You know there's something Zubi don't know. That's why I'm a boss, and bosses don't envy their subjects. Do you understand me? When you're a boss and you make somebody richer, you're just expecting them to be appreciative for what you do. You're not going to make me richer. What are you going to give to me that I don't have? Eh? You understand what I mean? So I'm this kind of person who will introduce you even to my deepest contacts. But when you spoil me, just in the name say you won't make money. Hey, Jesus. Bruh, I'm gonna fight you till Jesus comes. You go talk why you offend me in the first place. I offend you. I do you bad. Let me tell you something. There are a lot of people I'm friends with over 20 years. They were still friends with till now. A lot of things are going on in Nollywood. If you guys want to hear, you hear. If you don't want to hear, it's your business. But spiritually, they don't try. No greed them. Then give me poison. I chop poison 3 times. I decide not to be making friends with poverty-stricken, because now those poverty Them the beef, that then the envy, that then they do poverty. They just do transport for them from Ekene Dirichukwu. They pack all of them, put there from village, come town. You understand? They don't see money for their life. They never chop money. They never go anywhere. They don't know anything. They just there for that their local village. They do things. They break down people. Anybody you see rising, you want to off their light. Don't worry. Karma is. Make come outside, call my name. I'm not gonna tell and say, make it call my name. You then born in Papa where in the Chris. Okay, I go bring out more evidence. In the mad. Listen, this is the last time I'm going to talk about. The last time, but I want people to know what he's doing. I want people to know what is going on. That's where God deal with. Yeah? Nobody. They against them. That stupid invited me to his birthday. Was calling me, come to my birthday, come to my birthday. I said, bruh, you know to move me now. Squad plenty. Them fast 10 boys, police, everything. I don't even get strength that day. I just came back from trip. Before you know, it gives Young Mullah. For Young Mullah can't tell me, so legit, they come now. They come, because that's when he calls me. So now I can't order my boys, everybody dress up now. I carry police, everybody. We fall and enter the nigga birthday. As we enter inside the nigga birthday now, they call me and say, Alpha, make a come grant interview for red carpet. I can't say, okay, I will grant. Or they were like asking, what can you say about Zoe? What? I say, yeah, that's my nigga. From afar, that's what I said. They were asking me what, because the way I was just saying this, we just came out from so I said, guys, what are you people doing? I said, we are granting Mama's interview. What's the waiting? Now Beyonce with that. Come on, make gonna leave that person. Come this side. I said, what? What did you say? So immediately he said that thing and I was on the red carpet. You understand me? I just signaled my boys. We now left immediately. I didn't even stay. Me, I don't like disrespect now. So like you practically brought me out to embarrass me because you were intimidated by my growth. Because I have checked from all ramifications, I don't have no goddamn issue with this nigga. As a matter of fact, I've given him enough contact. Even when he go talking, now my niggas, now he take care of Zubi for talking till he come out. Even if he go where they smoke, everything where they do. Everything where they do. Even to the speaker when he carry come back. Because nigga don't buy nothing for himself. Now speaker how much? $2,000 then buy that speaker. Mugu.
Now that what the video finish. Now don't hear waiting she talk. Now this one I can't give you now. Make una drop una comment, like and share this video. Until we meet again for another news, always do well to stay safe for una do. DJ AP.